Okay, here we have two lines. First line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, and the second line is 6x plus 9y is equal to 20. Now we want to know whether these two lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. To do that, we need to find the slope of these lines. To find the slope, we need to solve for y. So let me ask you, we want to solve for 1 for the first equation. We have 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. Okay, can you tell me what would this be equal to if I solve for y? Anyone? You can just type your answer. To solve for y, we need to subtract 2x from both sides of the equation. So here we get 3y. I haven't got the correct answer from anyone yet. I mean the equation. 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 9. The goal is to rewrite this to look like y is equal to mx plus b. Okay. So in this case, if I divide each term by 3, y would be equal to minus 2/3 x. I have one answer already posted. A few more, very good. 9/3. So the first equation returns to equal to y is equal to minus 2/3 x plus 3. Okay, and some of you have minus 2x plus 3, which is supposed to be minus 2/3 x. Okay, so what that means is the slope for the first line is equal to minus 2/3. Now if I do the same thing with the second line, what would be the slope for the second line? Okay, somebody give me the slope for the second line. If I solve for y, then I get 9y is equal to minus 6x plus 20. So y would be equal to minus 6/9 x plus 20/9. So y is equal to, if I reduce this, I get minus 2/3. So as you see, the slope is exactly the same. If the slope of two lines are equal, what would be the relationship between those two lines? Anyone? When the slopes are equal, it means those two lines are, yes. Now, just a quick review. If two lines are parallel like this, the slope would be exactly the same. What if two lines are perpendicular? Make an angle of 90 degrees. This is L1 and L2. If the slope of L1 is A over B, can somebody tell me what's the slope of the second line? If they're perpendicular. Okay, somebody put B over A. That's not quite right. Anyone else? What would be the slope of the other line? If two lines are perpendicular, somebody would minus B over A. Very good. So it has to be negative and reciprocal of each other. Very good. So the slope of the other line must be minus B over A. Okay. One of the classic question is when two lines are perpendicular, the relationship between their slope m1 times m2 is equal to what? What is the relationship between the slope of two lines are perpendicular? Okay, can somebody tell me what that is? That would be not 1, minus 1, exactly. Very good. So if two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slope would be equal to minus 1. That's the question you could see on exams. Okay, if you all can follow this concept, can I see a check mark next to your name, please? And this is how we can find out if two lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So if there's no relationship between those slopes, then you'd say neither. Okay. The next question was number 8.